Sound check. Hello. Okay. Okay. I think we are ready. So click this one and then MetaMU. Go to the post or to the content that you're going to advertise. For example, this one. This is just an example. You're going to click on change here in the boost post at the top. You can see this one goal. Automatic, get more messages, but we need to get more visitors on our website. So you're going to click get more with website visitors. Okay, and then scroll down. Okay, scroll down. This one button level, we're going to change it to download. Okay, and then our website URL will be download. Okay, this is one of the most important thing in advertising or running an ads. You need to click the audience details. For example, I am from the Philippines, so it will automatically locate my location in the Philippines. But we can change that by clicking this one. Okay, so by clicking this one, we can add another location. So for example, we want to add, okay, let's see, we want to get players from, what's the best location? I don't know. So in Vietnam, okay. If you want to create to get more players from Vietnam, we need to click drop pin. Hey, okay, drop pin again. You need to click drop pin and then put on the place where you want to run the ad. Okay. We're going to run the ad at the center of Vietnam, Hanoi. So you can adjust the radius of the advertisement if you want to go to get everything here. Okay. You can make it like that or smaller. Depends on your budget, of course. So for example, we're targeting 35 miles from Hanoi. You can click the save audience, then close the Philippines, close my locations, close the China. Okay. Interest. Entertainment, leisure, games. Click everything. Click online games. Strategy games. Video games. Okay, and then you can also check about behaviors. So about behaviors, you can, where's that? Digital activities, and then all creators, console gamers, technology early adopters, people who have visited Facebook gaming, this one, export, no. No. Okay. Just this one, technology, energy, technology early adopters, Facebook who have visited, Facebook gaming, console gamers, all creators. Demographics, nothing, none. See. And then you're going to click this one and then save the audience. So the audience is all set. We are going down and then set our budget. Okay. You can see the estimated. This is just estimated. We can get more than or less than in this number, but this can be the average or more than. I suggest the minimum daily, what do you call this? Daily spend is $20. Okay. So we can possible get 400 to 1,200 clicks. This is just estimated, so we still don't know what will the players choose. So this is the daily budget, 1,000 pesos. If you see messages like here, it means you don't have enough balance, so you need to add funds like this. You need to add funds based on your currency, and then just click the publish. That's all. Sorry, I'm not good in English, but I'm good in bolds, in nodes. Just kidding.